Hey guys, today I will show you how to add extension repository to CloudStream. So, doing this is pretty simple. You'll have to just open your mobile phone and navigate to your CloudStream platform. So, open the CloudStream application, make sure you have installed it properly. After you open the application, you're going to see this interface where you're going to simply click on the settings icon at the bottom right of the screen. So, once you click settings, you will see this page where you're going to click on this extensions icon. Now, when you click extensions, you will see this page where if you'll have installed any extension, it will appear here. Now, if you won't have any extensions, click add repository. Now, you will see these options. What you'll have to simply do is put the app in background. Now, open any browser on your mobile phone. After opening your browser, you're simply going to the search bar and searching for CloudStream extensions. Type in this, search for it, and click this link that is CloudStream Wiki, list of extensions. Now, once you click this link, it is going to show you this page where you will see different extensions available for your CloudStream. So what I'm going to simply do is scroll down and navigate to, for example, this repository, that is Mega Repository. Now, you will see the shortcodes for that specific repository that you're going to install. And just after it, you're going to see the direct install link. Click on the direct install link and it will instantly open up the CloudStream application. As you can see, I'll have to just click open repository and that specific repository will be added as an extensions on my CloudStream application. So you're going to click cancel now, and as you can see, the repository is just right here. So that is the simple way to add extension repository to CloudStream. If you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and thanks for watching.